his
phone. You can see me little in the phone.
look at his face. He doesn't know how to clean up. He's hairy.
Yeah, I gotta check the power in that bathroom.
Oh, it's already working. I do my hair.
How'd that happen?
I don't know.
Yeah, that's disturbing all by itself.
Pagkulikta kami ng gas.
I don't really have a tank. You go through a lot of gas if somebody doesn't go anywhere.
And we never put the thing in this long time ago.
Of course we do. It keeps fill up. The other day, you used the car one day, and I filled it up on the way to work. It took more from where you went and you go local than it takes for me to go back and forth to Manhattan.
I don't drink
with the white car.
I don't drink the gas, okay? So why you're complaining? I don't go freaking nowhere. You can cheat.
I'm just saying, you go someplace.
You saw someplace. Seems like what every time I leave the house,
No,
it seemed
like it used more gas in it when I go to Manhattan and back. That was really bizarre.
And you don't even know the last time we put gas into this one.
Well, I'm talking about the white car right now. But I know when I was leaving this car.
It's like, you know, every time I go somewhere, I have to let you know.
Yeah.
What the heck is this? A bird is birds.
I don't know what it was.
A bird.
Sure.
Yeah. So, yun siya. No, I drink the gas. Suddenly.
Maybe that's all your energy comes from, gas.
I don't have a freaking energy.
You got lots of energy.
I have a lot of energy. What is my energy? Okay, tell me why I have energy.
Hey, you always got energy to run and do stuff. Cook, to run outside and go in the grass. And that's, you always got energy for everything.
Hi mga love. So ngayon, punta tayo naman si Tami. How much you think the charge for tank?
Plus,
the
tank at Lowe's is supposed to be like 130, 135, whatever it was.
Okay, plus maybe they're cheaper here and then you tell them
I don't
you get the
think they're
gas.
cheaper here, but I figure I'll try.
Okay.
They might do it because you don't buy the gas for them. They might.
It's not dangerous, honey. Do you know how to? You know how to
just
do
like
it?
a barbecue grill.
Huh?
Just like a barbecue grill.
Seriously?
Yeah. Only it's tall. It's like 5 feet tall.
Allah. That means it's higher than me?
Yes.
Seriously, hon?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna put it, Tommy?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. You become like something, hon. You always have something in your brain. Because of this smoking, you become like a... I don't understand. No, you're gonna end up using a lot of gas because you wanna sit down outside for a long time for smoking, which is really, really bad. Double take. Mga loves, my husband decided kung uwi ako ng Pilipinas, he's gonna put me inside the box. The balikbayan box ba? It's cheaper. With the chips, almost to go to Mindanao mga loves. It's 4 months, 5 months.
And then you don't have to worry about the plane.
Kasi worried talaga ako sa magsasakay ng eroplano ba. So kaya he said, okay, that's the only thing in the box. It's cheaper. $65 to go to Mindanao. Oh my goodness. Takot talaga akong mga lipad-lipad. So ngayon, ilagay lang niya ako sa box. Walang hiya. My God, how can I you put in the box? Knock on wood, honey. I don't wanna be in the box. Knock on wood.
Well, you said you didn't want to be in a plane.
Huh?
You said you didn't want to go on a plane.
I know, but it's scary, honey. It's scary to be in the plane. Where is that, honey? We're almost here.
Outside somewhere.
After this one, I think it's hot. Where are we going? There's right here. Hello, where's the entrance? Are they even open?
Yeah, no. Right there. You just go past it there.
Ay nako, Traffic man ini, honey. Hoy, di ka.
Cars. That's how you go.
Okay, we're gonna go here. Go that way. Go over there. I go
Yeah,
there.
go there where it's not a handicap. Or here, it's fine.
Hello, why people getting some gas, honey? It's freaking. It's done.
Oh, it's not that.
Summer is
Only to
done.
you.
Summer is done. Oh, I'm gonna help you to carry the
No,
thing.
no, no, I mean, nothing.
Huh?
Okay, run the office first.
Okay, you go to the office first. Okay, you go.
Let's see about the tank.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Yeah. I can get one of those lie-down tanks.
Honey, oi! Honey, don't be
Well, it's the
ridiculous.
same, not the big one. See the small one? It'd be the same size. Only
Which
lies
one?
down. In between these big ones here.
Honey, that's a big one, hon.
Well, that's 100 gallons. 100 pounds gonna be big too. So it is. Only just
Seriously, for that smoking, you gonna do that? Seriously?
Seriously.
No, my goodness. There's something wrong with Tommy, guys. Nang dahil sa mga paninigarilyo, kigwa man ito. Dahil sa paninigarilyo na, bibili siya ng mga tank na malaki para daw maka, siya, hindi daw siya hindi daw siya ginawin. Paminsan itong asawa ko, no, gusto, iwan ko parang unrealistic. Luto muna tayo ng asparagus, mga love. So ngayon, kakaiba po yung pagluto natin ng asparagus. Usually, i-boil ko ito, no, and lagyan ng oil at saka vinegar. Pero this time, kailangan natin siyang hugasan at kinat ko siya kasi ilalagay ko po siya sa oven, ibabroil at lagyan ng garlic at iba't iba pang mga seasoning. So, meron tayong bread dito na binili. So, hindi pa siya sira. Bukas na yun natin lulutuin. Sabayan nyo na lang ako sa aking mga galawan dito. Ating mga galawan. At yun, naglilinis lang ako dito ng ating carrots kasi meron din tayong gagawin na lumpia. So, kailangan lang natin ng carrots at yun, nagkakat lang ako ng ating mga kailangan at habang niluluto natin yung ibang gulay sa oven, no. At natapos na ako sa lumpia. So, may leftover tayo hindi nararap. So, piniprito ko lang siya. Masarap naman. At yes, ito siya. Nilagyan ko siya ng parmesan cheese pala. And then, balik na naman tayo. So, ganyan ako guys. Jumpy. So, yan. Nagpiprito na tayo ng ating lumpia. At ito yung lumpia natin na nakita ninyo sa ating reels na ginawa ko. Shrimp po siya. At saka, yung sprout, mga loves, yung sprout ng munggo. Yun. At saka carrots. Yun lang siya. Masarap siya na ganito lang. At dahil madilim-dilim na, it's almost 5 o'clock. So yun, inano ko na yung ating Christmas tree para naman maganda tignan yung ating living room, charot. Oy. For sure, sa ganitong buhay, yung ibang mga Pilipina hindi kaya. Boring, di ba? Pero, yun, ganito talaga yung buhay na mag-isa and then, trabaho yung asawa. So, ganito lang. So, tingnan nyo na lang ako mga love sa ating mga gawain dito sa bahay. Salamat din pala. Keep on watching! Hi mga loves, pauwi na si Tami and at nagluluto tayo ng steak. Dito ko lang siya niluluto sa loob mga loves kasi tawag nito. Alam nyo na, ulan ang ulan sa labas. So yun. At saka look, ito yung ating steak. Niluluto ko yung akin una kasi gusto ko yung lutong-luto. And then ito yung kay Tami. Yan. Uy, hindi masyadong maganda yung ilaw ngayon dito. But anyway, so yun siya. At maaga ngayon si Mister dahil po maaga siya nakalabas sa kanyang trabaho. So yun. Sobrang ano na ito. Blend natin eh. Masarap naman yung steak. Hindi ako kumakain dito ng rice, macaroni salad. Hindi ako talaga kumakain ng macaroni salad. Pero sabi sa sarili ko, wag na tayo munang mag-rice ngayon. Ito lang muna at steak. So, andito si Tami. Thank you mga loves sa time. Bye!